Happy Guru Purnima to all of you. Once one disciple goes to his Guru and tells him, Guruji, let me know how to program my life. I want my life to be happy. I want my life to be peaceful. I want to be in the bliss of life. Guruji smiles and says, you are in the age of computer, so let me give you a computer formula which you will be able to practice very easily. The formula is Control, Alt and Delete. Control, Alt and Delete. Guruji says, you need to control your thoughts. You need to control your emotions. Once you are in control of your thoughts and emotions, life would be happy and peaceful. The second one is alter. The human creation has been such that he always tries to go to the next level. So you need to alter your thinking to take your life to the next level to be happier and peaceful. And the third one, which is very important, is delete. Learn to delete everything that pulls out your energy. Learn to delete the negativity. Learn to delete the past experiences that tell you you cannot do it. Once you start deleting all that takes out your energy from you, then you become positive and you start to perform better, be happier and peaceful in life. So always remember this formula, Control, Alt and Delete, to make your life happy, peaceful and in bliss. So happy Guru Purnima, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment on this video. I am Praveen Kumar from Thinking Life, training to think, adding value to people's lives.